everybody, how's everybody doing? I got a simple change out, 3-ton evaporator coil and condenser. I think it's a 3-ton, I gotta double check. It's upflow in a closet, and I guess the ex-wife tried to clean it herself because the technician that was there previously told her that it was clogged, so she tried to clean it and just damaged the entire evaporator coil. So we're gonna replace it, and he wanted also to, might as well go ahead and replace the condenser, he said. So I said okay. So we're replacing the condenser as well. And there's gonna be a few interesting things about this. You guys will see. One of them, I can tell you, they pretty much they caulked the furnace to the evaporator coil, but it's like a really hard kind of glue or some sort. So it's gonna be fun. I couldn't even take off the front cover from the furnace. So it's gonna be fun removing that evaporator coil. And then the supply duct, a relative I guess, replaced the supply ducts, and they ran the main trunk, and it's kinked. The main trunk that goes into the top of the evaporator coil is kinked. So we have to fix that. And then I'll show you how I'm gonna fix that. I haven't completely figured it out yet. I think I already know I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, watch all my old videos as well. Okay? Have a nice one. ¿Qué huele eso?
Tenga ropa ya.
So here we are at yet another project. This is the one that I told you has some kind of, I don't know what they used here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like rock hard. This cover doesn't even come off because of that. Let's see up there where the duct turns right here. It's kinked. So we'll fix that. And then this copper, I gotta see what's going on with this copper. I'm probably gonna replace it. Here's the vent pipe. That's also gonna go. I almost forgot to show you, it also has a second return right there. So that's their existing thermostat. So here's a quick little before video of the condenser. So now I'm disconnecting the copper, and then I just noticed that again right here the copper is undersized. So we're gonna have to replace this copper with the correct size. Alright, so now the customer wants to see if we can salvage that line set cover. So we're gonna try to remove it carefully and see how that goes. If not, I'm gonna have to put a new one right there. And we're gonna run a new line set. Es una cura que bien cura.
Una cura que se cura.
Alright, so I'm gonna run the new copper through there. Alright, now that we got our copper in there, I'm gonna get the bender. I'm gonna try to do a nice bend right here. And then we'll shove the pipe the rest of the way in. Almost mis fans. Alright. So sorry I didn't record it, but I used the Hillmore bender. That's right there. I think you guys know how to use that tool already. I don't do one sharp 90. I like to start it and then move it over and then do it some more and move it over and do it some more. It's a lot smoother. And I'm always afraid of getting a kink right here in this elbow. So the purpose of this is just another Rubatex, and I wrap it around the line set, just so it won't transfer vibration when it, and also for so that it won't. Somebody's calling me. Who's calling me? So you can see that it helps to protect it from any jagged edges or sharp edges, and it also helps not to transfer vibration into the wall. Miren las caricaturas que le gusta ver a Milo. Ay, qué bonito. ¿Y eso las ve todos los días, Milo?
No.
Nomás los domingos, dice. Alright, so now we're gonna give this a little bend with our bender. ¿Eran caricaturas?
No, era como...
Mira lo malo que se la pasa mirando Milo. ¿Y esto lo ve todos los días, Milo? Mira nomás. No, no eche mentira.
No, yo ahorita
Aquí estamos en confianza.
voy a llamar a las niñas.
So this is a coil that they had.
Mira, que aquí está esa cosa, ¿no?
¿Cuál cosa? This is crust, like really crusted on. It's hard. It's hard. Okay. First, we're gonna add a filter rack because I don't know if you noticed or not, but there's no filter rack right here. So we're gonna slide in a filter rack. It'll accommodate either 1 or 2 inch filters. And then right here, evaporator coil, supply plenum, and then we're gonna put our start collar and then an elbow to connect, because up there it's really tight. That's why the duct is kinking. But if I put an elbow, then there will be no kink, and we'll connect right to the top of the supply plenum.
So now I'm going to show you what the drain situation used to be and how we're going to correct it.
So it looks like this was probably the original drain, maybe, and maybe then they moved it to right there, and then right here is just been deteriorating. Okay, so then what we're gonna do, we're gonna out here, we're still gonna take that route right here, but we're gonna run copper. And since we don't have any rain gutters and we don't have any washer dryer hookups, because the washers and the dryers are in the garage and I don't want to go across, so we're gonna go down into the dirt, which we do here sometimes, down there, probably this route over here. Okay, so last time someone said, hey, what about the nitrogen? So this time I'm gonna put the nitrogen part right here when I'm brazing. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys, check it out, BN 500 nitrogen purging regulator flow meter. So it has test, purge, braze, and off. I could probably hand tighten this. I think that's for hand tightening. And right here it'll tell me how much is left in the tank. Really cool. So this is pretty much it's an all-in-one. Okay, here we go. Oh, beautiful. This is so much easier. It's gonna save time not having to have the wrench around. And since I don't like leaving the regulator on the nitrogen tank, this will make it easier to remove after I'm done. Very good.
No doubt about it. The right tool can make any job just a little bit more pleasant. This bender, along with my swedger, the hydraulic one, the pistol type, it's so much easier to do these kind of connections, and it just makes it a little bit more fun.
So I'm not sure if I showed you this right, but to twist this nut in here, this is like a nut inside. I don't know if you can see, but it has like the shape that matches this. So you put it on top and it, see it, you can use it to turn the fitting and tighten it up. Just for the new guys out there. Someone in the previous video asked me about this insulation. This is supposedly all the stuff it protects from: UV, snow, moisture, mold, vapor retarder, rodents, bird damage, landscape equipment, and it's removable, reusable. But yeah, that's it right there. It works great.
So here's the view inside the main supply trunk. You can see where they TY and go into the vents.
Wow. Tienes que dejar como acordeón adentro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a plenum connected. I'm gonna strap it up. First I'm gonna get some insulation to put around that collar. As you can see, it's connected now. We have no more kink in the duct. Okay, so there's our new filter rack that we added because there was none. They had to open the cover from the furnace to take the filter out from the inside, but not anymore. Right, here's just a little annoying thing from these supply plenums that you get from the vendor. I don't know who gives them the sizes, but this is the coil size and this is the plenum size. It's a whole inch and a quarter off. Can you guys work on this? It's not that difficult. Alright, so now we have it with an elbow, and this is all sealed airtight. Right, we're done vacuuming, and I'm just checking to see if the microns go up. Alright, looks pretty good.
Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about the blurry screen. I didn't realize I had something on my GoPro. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and see you guys in the next one.